Hi friends, welcome back to GodOfGizmos. Today I am going to tell you what is new with Java version 11 and also the difference between Java version 8 and 11. Let's go to CMD. I have both the versions on my machine. So I will just show you that before running which version I am pointing to. I will say Java hyphen version. So this is the version I am pointing to. This is already there in my machine and I will open another CMD and I will show you which version I'm pointing to over here. Okay, still you can see that I'm pointing to 1.8. There are two ways to open the Java or point to Java 11 if you have not set the path variables. So you can directly say CMD over here, and when you will say Java hyphen version, you will get the new version. And I'm using OpenJDK as the Java is a paid version from version 11. Okay, so I will just close this. Another way to point to Java is like going to bin folder, taking up that path, exact path, and saying set path equal to and the path. So when now I will say Java hyphen version, you can see I'm pointing to Java version 11, OpenJDK 11. Okay, so the first difference I would like to tell you, and I liked it myself very much, is that you do not have to compile the Java files. Okay, so here we have a Java file. I'll just open it, and as you can see, it is a normal Java file. There is nothing in it, just it says welcome to GodOfGizmos. I will try to execute or try to get the output of this file. Okay, by going to Java version 8, I will say cd and paste that part, and I will go to that drive and I will say Java new, and I will try to execute. Okay, so when I press enter, it says could not find or load main class new Java because the Java file is not compiled yet. As you can see, this is just a one single file. Now going to Java version 11, changing to the same path, same drive, and now here when I say, as you know, I'm already pointing to Java version 11. When I say Java and I type the name of that class, whoa, we got the output, see. And when I'm now checking out the file, we still do not have a compiled class file over here still. Okay, so now if I want to run that Java file from Java 8, so what I have to do is we have to say Java C, and so we have got the compiled file over here. As you can see, this is just now created 922 923 just a minute ago. Okay, and when we have to run this file, we have to say new Java, and as you can see, we got the output. Now if I will try to execute the same file without the Java extension, I think it should not work because we have compiled the file using an earlier version of Java. Let's see. Whoa, it's still working. Let me see if my earlier command works. Okay, now you can see class found on application. So as you can see, when it is trying to execute the new Java file, it is actually compiling and it is giving you the output. But as we already have that file over here as new java.class, it is not able to do so, and then we are getting this error. Now if I will delete this file and try to execute the same command again, here we go, we got the output again. So if you did like my video, do give a thumbs up to my video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. This is a very short video. I'm trying to catch up with Java version 11 as far as I can go. Thank you. Do subscribe to my channel for more updates.